Madam, you can start.
You started the recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the good morning, shareholders. Hope you and your family are safe and healthy and doing well. I am Vibha Shinde, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company. With the permission of the Chair, I would like to begin the proceedings of this meeting.
Okay.
I am pleased to welcome you all to this 32nd Annual General Meeting of Vishnu Chemicals Limited. Pursuant to General Circular Number 9/2024, dated September 19, 2024, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has allowed companies to conduct their AGMs through video conference or other audio-visual means. Hence, the company is holding this 32nd Annual General Meeting through video conference, which enables to have a larger participation of the shareholders across the country. This is in compliance with the applicable provisions of the Companies Act 2013. Though most of you all may be familiar with the participation in AGM through video conference, for the benefit of those shareholders who are participating for the first time, I would like to briefly explain certain technical aspects of the process. All members who have joined in this meeting are by default placed on mute mode by the host to avoid any disturbance arising from the background noise to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. The company has received requests from the shareholders who wish to speak at this AGM. Once Q&A question session starts, the chairman will announce the names one by one. If the chairman calls your name, you will be unmuted by the host. Then the speaker shareholder can unmute his device and speak. While speaking to us, we request the shareholder to use headphone or earphone so that they are clearly audible and to minimize any background noise. Also, please ensure that Wi-Fi is not connected with any other devices. No other background applications are running on the device, and there is proper lighting to have good video experience. If there is any connectivity problem at speaker's end, we would request the next speaker to join. We also request the shareholder to be precise and loud so that it can be clearly heard and answered properly. Now, let me take you through the e-voting process as per the requirements of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations. The company has provided the shareholders a facility to cast their vote through remote electronic voting system administered by CDSL. The facility during the meeting is also enabled for the shareholders present at the meeting and not yet voted. Shareholders may please go to the respective depository's website, that is CDSL or NSDL, and cast their vote while proceedings of the meetings are on. Since the AGM is being held through video conference and the resolutions have already been put for remote e-voting, there will be no proposing or seconding the resolutions. During the meeting, if there is any technical issue, you may contact the helpline mentioned in the notice of the AGM. With this, I would request the chairman to take over and continue the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Vibha. Thank you very much. Good morning, shareholders and directors and my colleagues who have joined for today's meeting in person and also through video conference. I hope you and your family members are safe and are very well. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you for this 32nd Annual General Meeting of your company, Vishnu Chemicals Limited. As the requisite quorum is present, I now call the meeting to order. Before I start with proceedings, I would like to introduce attendees present with me here. Is Mr. Siddharth Serkuri, Joint Managing Director, Mrs. Manjula, Non-Executive Director, Mr. Nagabhushan Bhagwati, our Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee, and Mr. Ramshesh Chaudhary, Partner, Mr. Jampani Associates, Mr. Mahesh Bhattar, Chief Financial Officer of Vishnu Chemicals, and Mrs. Vibha Shinde, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, and Mr. Vimlanand, Independent Director of this company. Now, I request the directors and attendees who have joined the meeting through video conference to introduce themselves. Shall I say, Mrs. Sita Vanka?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Sita Manka, Independent Director and Chairman of the Nomination and Remunerations Committee. I'm joining this meeting through video conference from my residence at Detroit in the US. Hope all of you are doing well, and I wish all of you well. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Mr. L.D. Reddy to introduce. Dhananjay Reddy garu.
Yes, sir. Good morning, shareholders. Good morning, shareholders. I am Dhananjay Reddy, practicing company secretary and secretary of Vishnu Chemicals Limited. I am attending this AGM from my office in virtual mode. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhananjay Reddy garu.
Thank you, sir.
I thank all the members for joining this meeting. Pursuant to the MCA circular dated 1924, September 19th, 24, for the 6th consecutive year, we are holding the AGM through video conference in accordance with the facility enabled by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. The company has taken requisite steps to enable the members to participate and vote on the items that are being considered at this AGM. Since there is no physical attendance of the member, the requirement of appointing proxies is not applicable. The registers as required under the Companies Act 2013 are available for inspection. Members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting can cast their vote in the course of this meeting through e-voting facility. Since the notice is already circulated to the members, I take the notice convening the meeting as received and read. With regard to auditor's observation, there have been no other qualifications, reservations, adverse remarks given by the auditors in their report except granting of interest-free unsecured loans in early years to the wholly owned subsidiary Vishnu Private Limited, which was done as a condition stipulated by the bank. A clarification on the said observation of the auditors has been provided in the board report, and the same can be referred at page number 58 of the annual report. Now I would say a few words about our company performance and the future, what we are going to do. Good morning, everyone. It's pleasure to connect with you at our 32nd annual general meeting. I am grateful for how far our company and India's manufacturing sector has come. Global customers now see India as a trusted partner, and Vishnu Chemicals is proud to be recognized worldwide for our consistency, innovation, strong values, and for the spread of the company. To begin, let us reflect on the journey that shaped your company into what is today. Over the past 3 decades, Vishnu Chemicals has evolved into a name the world trusts. India is now firmly on the global map as a reliable manufacturing partner, and I am glad your company has played a role in that journey. From humble beginnings, we have grown into one of the leading global producers of chromium and barium chemicals. Our products are used in a wide range of industries and remain irreplaceable because of their quality and performance. What sets us apart from our deep process know-how, flexible product mix, and the ability to innovate and adapt. Now let me throw some light on the current state of specialty chemical industry. India's specialty chemical sector is growing steadily from $64 billion in 2024, and it is expected to reach $92.6 billion by 2033. These chemicals support industries like agriculture, pharma, personal care, automotive. With a strong manufacturing capability, supportive policies, and rising global demand, India is becoming a key player in this space. And the sector is set to play a big role in this country's economic and industrial growth ahead. Now let us take a look at some of the key milestones we achieved in 24 to 25. The year gone by was a big one for us, not just in terms of performance, but in how we have strengthened our foundation for the future. Let me share a few highlights with you. We recorded our highest sales revenue of 1446 crores, a 19% year-on-year growth, and we maintained an EBITDA of 228 crores and a PAT of 126 crores. This was our 7th consequent year of reducing debt, showing our consistent financial discipline. Our cash flow from operations increased 33.7% year-on-year, giving a robust cash-rich balance sheet. Also, we reported highest ever quarterly PAT in Q4 financial year 24-25. Further, I am pleased to share that we have signed a definitive agreement for 100% acquisition of chrome mining complex in South Africa. This is a strategic move and we are hopeful that it will help to secure our long-term raw material requirements, reducing the supply side uncertainties and giving us the greater control over the value chain. Now let us touch on the issues shaping to the market right now. Now let me brief you on the R&D. We are constantly investing in new technologies and capabilities to make our process smarter and our products even better. As we expand into more value-added offerings, quality remains our top priority, with the customers in over 50 countries and expectations rising year after year. We make sure every batch reflects the trust our customers have placed on us. We look forward in launching new products in the near future aligned with the changing needs of our global customers and related chemistry. Now let me talk about workforce of our company. I firmly believe our people are our biggest strength. This is always our concern and our strength. It's their dedication, expertise, and everyday efforts that truly drive Vishnu Chemicals forward. As we continue to grow, we are placing even greatest focus on training and development of our employees, ensuring they are equipped with the right skills, knowledge, and support to grow along with the company. Their growth is our responsibility and also our biggest investment in the future. Next, I would like to brief you on the ESG focus of our company. At Vishnu Chemicals, sustainability is part of what we are. We are always finding smartest ways to reduce our environmental impact, use resources wisely, and keep our operations efficient. We have built a culture that values both planet and people, ensuring safe, healthy workplaces for everyone. We remain deeply committed to ESG, embedding sustainability, responsibility, and strong governance into everything we do. From reducing our environmental footprint to ensuring safe, inclusive workplaces, our focus is on creating long-term responsible growth. A key part of this vision is our commitment to becoming a zero-waste company. As we continue moving towards cleaner, more efficient, and future-ready operations. Let me now give a list of our CSR initiatives. As part of our corporate social responsibility efforts, your company actively supports health initiatives aimed at underprivileged and undeserved communities. We focus on spreading basic health awareness to help people take better care of themselves and those around. We are planning to introduce a mobile diagnostic center around the state of Andhra Pradesh nearby our factory areas to educate the rural community, to give awareness about their health and welfare. Then we are also deeply committed to supporting senior citizens and building a more inclusive society. In line with this, we have set up a world-class old age home in rural India, equipped with modern facilities and trained caregivers. Looking ahead, we are also planning to launch a mobile diagnostic center to make basic health care more accessible in remote and undeserved areas. Let me give an update on the dividend for the year 24-25. Your company has been paying dividends consistently and in line with our performance and strong financial position. Your board has recommended a dividend of 15% for equity share on face value of 2 rupees for the financial year 24-25, amounting to 201 lakhs. This reflects our confidence in the business and our commitment to sharing success and with the shareholder. Let us now speak on the strategic vision for the future growth. Looking ahead, we are energized by the opportunities in front of us. We are expanding into new chemistries like strontium, strengthening our backward integration, and stepping into the new geographies. All as natural progressions of our core strength, we are planning further capital investment to support our next phase of growth and expand capacity where we need it. This marks the beginning of the new chapter, not just as a leader in our current space, but as a diversified, transformation-driven chemical company built in innovation, responsibility, and long-term thinking. I would also like to stress to our shareholders that our company, whatever goods we are manufacturing, is mostly import substitutes, that is Make in India as per the government initiative. Let us now speak the strategic vision for the future growth. As we look to the future, we are excited about the road ahead. Over the next 5 years, your company growth will be powered by the clear strategy, scaling up globally competitive manufacturing, pursuing high EBITDA, generating projects, adapting the blessed global technologies, and ensuring timely, efficient execution. We are also stepping our investments in green energy as part of our broader commitment to sustainability. Above all, we are focused on building a stronger, more profitable business that stays rooted in the values. We remain committed in creating term value, upholding strong governance, and pushing ahead with bold and responsible growth. Thank you for standing with us. Together, we look forward to achieving even greater milestones in the years to come with your support. Now I request our Joint Managing Director, Mr. Siddharth, to apprise on the performance of the company.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Very good morning, dear shareholders. A warm welcome to each one of you at the 32nd AGM of Vishnu Chemicals Limited. It gives me a great honor to address you all today at this AGM as we reflect on the journey of Vishnu Chemicals over the past year. As we stand at the intersection of legacy and future, it's a moment of pride to see how far we have come and how much more we are set to achieve here on. Let me begin with an overview of year gone by 24-25. For over 3 decades, Vishnu Chemicals has built its reputation on perseverance, consistency, and excellence to quality that continues to define our journey in the specialty chemical industry. This year, our strategic theme, anchored to the core, designed to diversify, eloquently captures our approach. It reflects a dual philosophy, leveraging our technical depth, product quality, and customer trust, while actively exploring new avenues for growth across products, geographies, and applications. Every step we took during the year was guided by this balance, whether it was process optimization, capacity enhancement, or strategic capital allocation. We remain rooted in our core competencies while preparing ourselves for a more diversified and resilient future. Let me now talk about the financial performance. Despite a challenging external environment, financial year 24-25 proved to be testament to the strength and agility of our business model. Our domestic sales registered a 22% year-on-year growth, while export sales grew about 16%, resulting in consolidated geographic mix of 54-46 between domestic and international market. A key highlight during the year was the acquisition of Vishnu Strontium Private Limited, which marked a strategic move to strengthen our presence in the specialty chemical space. This acquisition allows us to broaden our product portfolio, deepen backward integration, and capture additional value in adjacent segments. It is not only complements our core competency, but also aligns with our larger vision of building a future-ready, diversified chemical business. Let me take a moment to walk you through what truly powered our performance this year. First, we remain focused on operational efficiency. It is our core segments, chromium and barium chemicals. We improve profitability by fine-tuning our processes and optimizing capacity utilization across our plants. These efforts have had a direct and positive impact on our margins. Second, our manufacturing footprints continue to be a strategic advantage, with multi-locational facilities situated close to the key ports. We have been able to serve both domestic and international markets with agility and cost effectiveness. Third, our uncompromising focus on quality has helped us to maintain the trust of customers across more than 50 countries. Year after year, our global reach strengthens, reinforcing our position as reliable and preferred partner. All of this has been possible because of our commitment to simple principle, putting our customers first. Their evolving needs shape our innovation, our service standards, and our long-term direction. That trust keeps us sharp, grounded, and always striving for more. At Vishnu Chemicals, we have taken a concrete step towards environmental sustainability by focusing on waste reduction, recycling, and reuse across our operations. On the governance front, we continue to uphold strong internal controls and ethical business practice. Our ISO 9001:2015 certification is a testament to our focus on quality, process integrity, and continuous improvement. It assures not just compliance but excellence in everything we do here. Let me now touch upon the importance of diversity and community. At Vishnu Chemicals, our people are our greatest strength. We provide them with opportunity to learn, grow, and lead from within. We focus on recognizing talent, encouraging ownership, and creating a culture where purpose and performance go hand in hand. I'm proud to share that our efforts were recognized this year with Great Place to Work certification, a testament to our manufacturing expertise. The road ahead holds exciting possibilities. As we step into the future, we are expanding into allied chemicals, building on our own strength with a clear focus on innovation and growth. A heartfelt thank you to our customers, investors, employees, and all our stakeholders. Your trust keeps us grounded, motivated, and ready to shape the future of our shared success. I wish you all good health and prosperous times ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Now, the e-voting facility is open. Members may go to the voting page of respective depositories website and cast their vote if they have not already done so. The e-voting facility remains open for 15 minutes from now on after this meeting is completed, enabling the members to cast their vote. Now I would like to move on to the speaker shareholders who have registered to speak. The speaker shareholders will be called by order in which their names are listed. I would request all the speakers to be clear and brief. Let me start with the first speaker shareholder. One, Mr. Afzal Oramamsi Mohammed. You can speak now. Mr. Afzal Oramamsi Mohammed. Mr. Mohammed, speak now.
Please unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir. You can hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I am very happy, sir, about our performance. I can't have any words to explain because fair value and dividend, everything is good, sir. Sir, about our company performance, I don't want to point out anything, but I have requested, sir, please make the AGM in physical mode, sir, because you can do it. We can meet only once in a year, sir. That also is closed for this way. This is a good way, but I am not point out you. But this make a AGM in physical mode, sir. This is my request, sir. That's all. And go ahead, sir. I have supported every resolution for my side. I am very happy, sir. Secretary department is doing work is very good. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Afzal. Thank you very much.
Next call.
Now I invite Mr. Kausik Narendra Shakur.
So Mr. Kaushik is not connected in the meeting.
Next, Mr. Reddappa Gundluru.
I share Dr. Shailesh Mehta's decision to step down as chairman.
Hello.
And he's completing his maximum permitted term.
Am I audible, sir?
No.
You are
Chairman,
audible,
sir, and board of directors, my fellow shareholders, good morning, namaste. Myself, Reddappa Gundluru, I am attending this AGM from Hyderabad. Chairman, sir, your speech is very wonderful, covered last information, and there is a very good informative speech. Thank you so much. I received the annual report well in advance. Thank you so much for sending the annual report well in advance. Special thanks to all my company secretary. And I gone through the annual report from first page last page, sir. There is a wonderful the numbers, figures, pictures, everything is right page. Thank you so much for the transparency, corporate governance under your leadership. So the financial part is very wonderful, dividend is very wonderful. And here my questions I would like to ask you, sir. Just a minute, sir. I'll open my notes.
Yeah.
My questions is about the Vishnu chemical is, just a minute, sir. Vishnu Chem AGM. Yeah. The first question is about my business strategy. What is our company current market share in the chromium chemicals and domestically and globally? What is the strategy for expanding the exports and what is the geographic being targeted, sir? Are there any new specific chemical in this R&D pipeline to diversify beyond the chromium products, sir? So second question about the operation raw material, sir. How is the company managing volatility in the raw material prices like soda, ash, and chrome ore, sir? Are there any long-term supply contracts in this place to ensure the cost stability, sir? So what capacity utilization levels are we are currently operating at the and is there any plan to capacity expansion, sir? And about the financial performance question, sir, what is the EBITDA margin guidance for the financial year 25-26 current financial year, and how do you plan to sustain the improve it, sir? And is there any debt reduction plan in this near term? With this, I am concluding my question part. I would like to thank entire the company secretary team and also all the hardworking employees, always reachable. The availability is there. If any queries, I'll throw email and also personally. So they are very good, sir. And e-voting has been done. No questions on the resolution. I strongly support all the resolutions, sir. 100% faith on the board, trust on the management. So go ahead and take appropriate decision, sir. All the best. I pray God to give the wisdom, strength, power, happiness, entire board member families and hardworking employees of my company and the company secretary team also. सर फूलों की खुशबू हवा में मिल जाती है खिल जाती है అంటే మనకు ఇది సువాసన అనేది కనపడదు కానీ గుడ్ డీడ్స్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ పీపుల్ లైక్ యూ good efforts of good people from like you always remembered, sir. We remembered you. You are creating the wealth, creating the employment, so we respect you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Redapagaru. We will come back to you. Then Mr. Badri Vishal Bajaj.
Sir, Mr. Badri Vishal Bajaj and Mr. Praful Chawda both are not connected in the meeting.
Next, Mr. Shahbat Ali Khan. Shahbat Ali Khan.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Good morning. Thank you so much to give this opportunity to speak me as a speaker shareholder. Sir, first of all, sir, our financial quarter results are very good. And sir, the company is making the good profit as well as. And sir, wish you happy Independence Day and wish you happy Krishnashtami. Thank you so much and wonderful like secretarial department. Already before time we got the link and we got the annual report as well as. Thank you so much, sir, to give this opportunity.
Thank you, Shizati. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Then Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf. Santosh Kumar Saraf.
हेलो
Yeah.
हाँ जी 1 मिनट में वीडियो ऑन कर रहा हूँ हाँ जी श्रीमान सभापति जी उपस्थित निदेशक मंडल के सदस्यगण अधिकारीगण और कर्मचारीगण मैं संतोष कुमार साहब कलकत्ता से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ आशा करता हूँ आप जितने भी भाई डायरेक्टर भाई बहन हैं, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में होंगे। सर मैं उन कर्मचारी भाई बहनों का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिनकी कड़ी मेहनत का फल है कि आज हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा कर रही है। साथ में उन कर्मचारी की फैमिली का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जो सदा बैकबोन के रूप में उनके बैक साथ खड़ी रहती है, जिसे पूर्ण क्षमता से वो अपने योगदान हमारी कंपनी में अपना देते हैं। सर आपने अपने वक्तव्य में काफी कुछ बताया है और बैलेंस शीट भी काफी सुंदर बनाई है सर। तो ऐसी बैलेंस शीट मत बनाइए सर, थोड़ा एक तो पॉइंट रख दीजिए हम लोग के लिए भी। अगर आप पूरा ही कुछ देते तो किस पे पॉइंट पूछे बताइए सर। तो अपने सीएफओ को और उनको बोलिएगा कि एक तो पॉइंट रख दे या ऐसा कोई पॉइंट हमें बता दे सेक्रेटरी के थ्रू कि भी इसमें आप प्रश्न कर लीजिए तो हमारे चेयरमैन साहब उत्तर दे देंगे। तो चेयरमैन साहब उत्तर देने के लिए आते हैं सर, तो अगर कोई चीज का प्रश्न नहीं करे तो अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है। फिर भी सर मैं एक दो प्रश्न करूंगा आपसे, क्योंकि कहावत है कि खाने में बुलाते हैं, खाना बहुत बढ़िया बनता है, फिर भी लास्ट में हम लोग कहते हैं सर कुछ पान मसाला वसाला है कि नहीं मुख शुद्धि के लिए। तो आपने इतने अच्छे बैलेंस शीट दी, तो इतने अच्छी बैलेंस शीट आपने बनाई है सर, फिर भी एक आध तो प्रश्न बनने पूछने का इच्छा होती है, चाहे वह प्रश्न ना भी हो। तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा अपनी कंपनी की ईएसजी रेटिंग क्या है, ईएसजी रेटिंग और ईएसजी स्कोर क्या है।
Yes,
अगर
yes.
ईएसजी रेटिंग अच्छी है तो उसको किस तरह हमारी कंपनी के लाभ के लिए यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं हम। क्योंकि कई कंपनी आजकल क्या है ईएसजी बॉन्ड और ग्रीन बॉन्ड निकाल के पैसे बाजार से उठा रही है, फिर उनको एनएससी बीएससी में लिस्टेड करवा रही है सर। इससे मेरे को लगता है दो फायदे होंगे, एक तो आपको फर्दर डेवलपमेंट के लिए फंड भी मिलेगा, दूसरा है कि जब लिस्टेड होगा उसके प्राइस के ऊपर में अपने को पता भी चले कि हमारे कंपनी का प्राइस किस तरह आगे पीछे चल रहे हैं सर। इसके बारे में विचार करिएगा सर। एक कार्बन इमिशन के लिए आपने क्या कदम उठाया इसके बारे में बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। और हमारा जीरो कार्बन इमिशन का टारगेट कब तक हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे इसके बारे में जरूर बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। एक रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के लिए क्या कदम उठाए हैं सर आपने, जहां हमारी फैक्ट्रियां हैं ऑफिस है वहां हमने क्या सोलर पैनल या विंड पावर की व्यवस्था की है, इसके बारे में जरूर बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। अगर किए तो अभी प्रेजेंट कैपेसिटी क्या है हमारी, जो हमारी 100% कैपेसिटी के अंदर में कितना परसेंट हमको यहाँ से मिल रही है सर। सर आपने फॉरेन के बारे में बताया, जब के बारे में ये है कि टैरिफ वार का बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट हमारी कंपनी के ऊपर आने वाला है। और हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट साहब हैं यूएसए के, वो कब क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं, रात में क्या बोले तो भूल जाते हैं, सुबह भी नया कुछ बोल देते हैं। तो इस तरह का वातावरण में हमको तो पहले से अपने एक दो विकल्प प्लान ए प्लान बी बना के रखना पड़ेगा। तो आप किस तरह का व्यवस्था कर बताइएगा सर। और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं, कि प्रश्न तो मतलब आपने सब दे दिए, फिर भी पूछा तो आप बोले किताब में दिए हुए हैं। अतः मैं फाइनेंशियल 25-26 की आप सभी को शुभकामना देता हूँ और भगवान से हाथ जोड़ के प्रार्थना करता हूँ, भगवान फाइनेंशियल 25-26 हमारी कंपनी के साथ साथ हमारे जितने भी डायरेक्टर भाई बहन है, जितने भी हमारे एसोसिएट और जितने भी कर्मचारी भाई बहन उनकी फैमिली के लिए हेल्दी वेल्दी प्रॉस्पर सेफ्टी के साथ व्यतीत होगा सर। और सर कल अपने स्वाधीनता दिवस उसकी भी शुभकामना देता हूँ। इसके साथ में जितने भी राष्ट्र त्योहार आने वाले हैं उनकी शुभकामना देता हूँ। आपके फैमिली के जो पर्सनल त्योहार है उनकी भी शुभकामना देता हूँ। और वहां से प्रार्थना करते हैं ये त्योहार हमारी जिंदगी में खुशियाँ और आनंद लेके आएंगे सर। सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि बीसी मीटिंग कंटिन्यूस रखिए, तो मैं कल से आपके प्रति हमारे कर्मचारी जो काम कर रहे हैं उनके प्रति आभार प्रकट करने का मौका मिलेगा। और कल फिजिकल करते तो हाइब्रिड का ऑप्शन करिए सर, क्योंकि आदत खराब हो गई पीसी करने की। कहते आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो भी अवसर आपको अच्छा लगे करिएगा। और मैं मॉडरेटर का आभार प्रकट करते हुए अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद जय भारत, राम राम। आपके सेक्रेटरी उनकी टीम का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे लिंक प्रोवाइड की। नमस्कार।
Thank you. Thank you, sir, Abhijit. Next, Mr. Rohan Itla Bhai Patel.
Sir, Mr. Rohan is not connected in the
Itla Bhai
meeting.
Patel.
Mr. Rohan is not connected.
Then Kamal Kishore Jawar.
हाँ हेलो, मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सर?
हाँ,
हेलो,
yes, sir, आपका
ओके,
आवाज
थैंक यू
बड़ा
सर,
आवाज है।
थैंक यू चेयरमैन सर, ऑल डायरेक्टर्स को मेरा नमस्कार। आज ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस है, हम अनदर प्लेस पे है, तो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से हमारे को बहुत बेनिफिट मिल रहा है, कहीं भी रहे मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं। आपका चेयरमैन इसमें पूरा डिटेल बता दिए साहब। और सिद्धार्थ जी जो यंग जनरेशन में इतना डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा बताए, तो मैं उनकी जितनी तारीफ करूं उतना कम है। और ज्यादा मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ साहब। अपना शेयर का भी 2 रुपीज पेटा पर शेयर 500 के है, तो 10 रुपीज पेटा के हिसाब से 2500 है। हम तो साहब पुराने शेयर होल्डर है, आप पहचानते भी हमारे को। और सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट में टीम कैसा है, तब कभी कुछ कैसा रहता 2-3 बार हम फोन करे कि हमारे को रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला, बाद में मिलता है। दूसरे शेयर होल्डर बोलते सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का टीम बहुत अच्छा है। इसके पहले हरी साहब था, किशोर था, एनएलएस सिंह के सब रिस्पॉन्स मिलते हैं। रामकृष्ण साहब इतने बड़े आदमी है जो भी हमारे को रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं सर। रामकृष्ण साहब की जितनी तारीफ करे उतना कम है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट को, शी इज लेडीज, कभी कुछ भी रहे तो हम लोग जब साल में रहे तो कुछ कांटेक्ट करते हैं, उसके बारे में जरा रिस्पॉन्स देना चाहिए। हम इस कंपनी के बहुत पुराने शेयर होल्डर है। और धनंजय साहब को नमस्कार, धनंजय साहब को। और सर मैं ज्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ। आज से तो पूरे फेस्टिवल की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और एम्प्लॉइज और सबको पूरे फेस्टिवल की ऑल फेस्टिवल का मुबारक देता हूँ। और आपका शेयर में हमको 2 पैसा मिला है साहब। हम शेयर भी बेच चुके हैं, मैं और सुरेश। अभी नॉर्मल शेयर है हमारे पास। मार्केट का क्यों भरोसा नहीं है, अप एंड डाउन चल रहा है, ट्रम्प अलग परेशान कर रहा है, तो उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते। पर फ्यूचर में आपका कंपनी एक दिन शेयर आप सेकेंड 1000 जाएगा साहब, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, हमारे को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kamal Kishore ji. Thank you for your suggestion. Then Mr. Gautam Bafna.
और इन्हें निकाल के
So Mr. Gautam is not connected in the meeting.
ये भी पुराना है। Then Mr. Srikant Jawar. Srikant.
हेलो हेलो,
हाँ बोलिए जी।
हेलो
हेलो
हेलो।
हाँ बोलिए जी।
हाँ, रेस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन और बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, सबसे पहले नमस्कार साहब। मेरा नाम श्रीकांत है, मैं हैदराबाद से बात कर रहा हूँ सर। सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, जो बिग सुदर्शन केमिकल अदर केमिकल सेक्टर जो है न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, ये न्यू से अपने को क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ है और कोई न्यू केमिकल लॉन्च कर रहे हैं क्या, उसके बारे में बताइए। और आते सो दशहरे दीपावली की भी शुभकामनाएं, और साथ में हमारे एलडी रेड्डी साहब को भी नमस्कार करता हूँ सर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Resolution chemicals, very impact on our family. Like whether we are planning any new chemicals.
Okay, Mr. Jaychand P. Next is Mr. Jaychand P.
So Mr. Jaychan is not connected in the meeting.
Okay, sir. Next, Mrs. P. Shyam Sundari. Mrs. P. Shyam Sundari.
Mr. Sham also not connected in the meeting.
Next, Mr. A.V. Manisundaram.
So Mr. Mani Sundaram is also not connected in the meeting.
Then Mr. Abhishek.
The first of all, it's Abhishek, shareholder, IN 301 client ID is 41359155. So first of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of annual general body meeting. Sir, trust all is well with you and your family. In this challenging situation, the company deserves much more respect than the current market cap after completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, and becoming one of the strongest brands in the respective segment. Sir, I would like to know, as of date, how many employees are there in the company? What are the steps being taken by the management to reduce the other expenses, legal professional charges, and the audit fees? So that myself and my team are running a legal firm in the name and style of Somerville Associates. So I would request the management to kindly enroll the firm in the apartment of the company, and we will be glad to extend our services. So what are the steps being taken by the management to improve the EPS, P ratio, and return on equity? and our par value is 2 rupees. So whether have you taken any steps to split the par value or into 1 rupee, sir? Whether any plans are there, I would like to know from you. And your company has declared a bigger dividend to the shareholders, 30 paisa. You have at least management is in a better position to declare dividend. So we really appreciate their hard work and sincere management, sincere efforts in taking the company into this way and rewarding the minority shareholders in large numbers. So I appreciate the management for that, sir. And overall, the company has outperformed. I appreciate the management. I request the management to kindly arrange a planned visit for the shareholders. I request the management to kindly take care of the hospitality part of the investor fraternity who have joined the virtual conference by means of video conferencing. And nothing much to ask, sir. I wish the company and the board of directors great success and prosperity in the coming future. And one more shareholder, sir, Mr. Bharat Raj, he is also joined in the virtual conference, but he is raising some discrepancies, network issue while joining. So kindly allow him to join in from the same device, sir. Moderator has locked the camera, sir, so kindly ask them to enable the camera as well. Thank you.
Hello, very good morning, Mr. Chairman. I am Bharat Raj, sir, attending from Hyderabad. I also log in, sir, due to some internet problem. I am also a speaker shareholder. I am attending through Mr. Abhishek. Chairman, sir, wonderful chairman speech and very good revenue. Very good revenue, sir. I support all the resolutions. And my secretary department sent me the link and annual report in time. Madam is always accessible. Chairman, sir, one more request, sir. Last time you sent us to Vizag, sir. We requested you to the Srikalahasti plant visit, sir. You told that we'll send you next year, sir. So please tell our company secretary to the speaker or shareholders who are interested, come to arrange plant visit, sir. I'll be more happy to see my Srikalahasti plant, sir. Once again, my best wishes to take care, sir. God bless you all. I'm Bharatra signing off from Hyderabad, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Speaker shareholders, sir.
Thank you, Bharat. Next, Mr. Gopal P. Gopal.
So Mr. Gopal is not connected in the meeting.
Then Mrs. Vandana.
So Mrs. Vandana is not connected in the meeting.
Then Mr. Himanshu Trivedi. Himanshu Trivedi.
Mr. Himanshu, please unmute your mic. Mr. Himanshu, please unmute your mic.
Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
अरे यार Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Respected Chairman, Krishna, sir, and other board of directors sitting out guys. Myself, Himanshu Trivedi from Vadodara, Gujarat State. First of all, thankful to our company secretary, Viva Sindhe, who is sending me out even the hard copy of the ATM report well in advance, which is full of information and fact figure and place, which is easy to follow and easy to understand. So I'm thankful to your entire secretary. I don't have much question because I have full faith on board and the resolution. I support full agenda item. I have sent my question and query through the email well in advance, which give the time of the opportunity and give the my rest speaker shareholder. Such still I have few questions. My first query is what are the key properties of specialty chemical? My second question, what are the specific application of this chemical? My third question, what are the margin of competitor of in this market? And who are the leading manufacturing supplying of this chemical? What is the company manufacturing capacity, quality control, processing? And my last and final question, what is market share we have in domestic and international market? Sir, I wish good luck and bright future for coming financial year. Thank you to allow me to speak. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you. I will answer you very soon. Then next, Mr. Manjit Singh.
So Mr. Manjit Singh is not connected in the meeting.
Then Mr. Suresh Jain. Suresh Jain.
So Mr. Suresh, please unmute your mic.
हेलो, आवाज आ रहा है सर? हेलो, हेलो।
हाँ बोलिए।
आदरणीय चेयरमैन सर, उपस्थित सभी डायरेक्टरगण और शेयर होल्डर साथियों, सर अलॉटमेंट के टेंशन में इस कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर हूँ और कई एजीएम और ईजीएम आपके मैं अटेंड कर चुका हूँ और आपसे अच्छे मेरा और कमल किशोर का आपसे अच्छी जान पहचान है सर। और सर हमारे पास तो अच्छे क्वांटिटी के अंदर शेयर थे, रेट हमारे को अच्छा मिलने के कारण हम थोड़े बहुत शेयर बेच चुके हैं सर। फिर भी हमारे पास अच्छी क्वांटिटी नहीं है सर, क्योंकि हम कम से कम 8 या 10 मीटिंग का छोड़ के आपके मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहा हूँ सर मैं। और सर मैं हरदम आपके एजीएम के अंदर में तीसरा चौथा बोलता था, आज एकदम बहुत पीछे की तरफ लेके चले गए सर। और हैदराबाद का वातावरण और पानी बरसात की वजह से हमारी भी 75 ईयर्स पे है, उम्र हो गई सर। और फिर भी हम चाहते कि आपका मीटिंग, आपका चेयरमैन स्पीच सुनने की हमारे को लड़ाई थी, इसलिए हम आपकी मीटिंग अटेंड किया है सर। आपका चेयरमैन के अंदर आपने जो कंपनी की रूपरेखा हमें पूरी तरह से और सरल भाषा के अंदर जो जानकारी दी, उसका मैं आपका तथा आपकी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन तथा स्वागत करता हूं सर। सर आपके पास कभी भी मिलने को आए तो हमें रामकृष्ण साहब से मिलना हो जाता है, और कंपनी के बारे में अगर कुछ डाउट है तो उन्होंने हमारे डाउट को क्लियर कर देते हैं। इसलिए मैं खासकर रामकृष्ण जी का भी मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। और बहुत ही पुराने सर, मैं कम से कम 15-20 साल से उनसे मिलना जुलना होता है सर। और आपने जो बात करने का जो शुभ अवसर दिया, उसके लिए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप इसी प्रकार दिन दूनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करते हुए आप आगे के तरफ बढ़े सर। धन्यवाद सर। हम और कमल किशोर हर मीटिंग के अंदर हम ज्वाइन होते हैं सर एजीएम के, पर कोरोना का शासन काल होने के कारण हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं सर। अब कई लोग बॉम्बे के, दिल्ली के, कलकत्ता के लोग भी इसके अंदर आपका पार्टिसिपेट भी है सर। मैं उनका भी धन्यवाद देता हूँ और कंपनी के रूपरेखा उन्हें भी जानने का शुभ अवसर मिला है सर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you. Thank you, Suresh Chandra. Done. Next, Mr. Bharat Raj.
He already spoke.
Already spoken, Bharat Raj.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which Bharat? Now I would like to answer the questions one by one. First shareholder who has asked the question is Mr. Redappa. He has asked about EBITDA margin, no, mainly. Observe. Yeah, huh? Observe. Online meeting. Physical online. No, Redappa. Mr. Redappa, I am answering to Redappa. The Vishnu Chemicals is consistently paying dividends, and company rank is in the market capitalization 943. Our return on capital employed is 18%, and return on equity is 15%. and debt equity ratio is 0.37 and debt to EBITDA is 1.5. So our average growth rate is about last 3 years is 13%, and sales growth is 13% and profit growth is 16%. Stock price that is about 13% CAGR last 3 years. This is what the questions regarding debt plan. Debt reduction plan. Debt reduction plan. We have already reduced the debt. Debt ratio is only 0.37. There is only working capital debt is there almost. Term loans is very minimum as on date, and this will be paid this year. So whatever is there, it is only working capital. And since we are an exporting, so that we need some working capital. Then next, that's between soda and chrome price. No. Next question. Redappa. Show me the question.
Redappa is this much only.
Redappa question. Redappa. Yeah, I can answer. Market share of chrome in our Indian market is around 65%, and in the international market it is around 15% of the chrome segment. And future potential and plans, we are working on various value-added products which is used in the metal industry, these chemicals. And then the variation in soda and chrome ore, soda effect is not much as already 65% we are recovering and using, only 35 to 40% we are buying. There is no impact on soda. Soda prices also stable. The chrome ore anyway we are investing in this backward integration. Once our mine is in our hands operation, then we will have very stable chrome ore supply. So there is no volatility of both the raw materials. This is thing. And EBITDA margin on all already I have given a debt reduction plan. There is almost there is no debt of the term loan, only working capital is there. Okay. Thank you, Redappa. Next is Shajat Ali Kaur. Uska questions. His questions is finance cost. Nothing. He's asked finance cost.
No, nothing.
Then Santosh Kumar Sharaf. He's asked. He's spoken about ESG rating, carbon emissions, and all. Ms. Santosh Kumar, the company has already installed about 4.5 megawatt of solar power for sustainability and reducing the carbon emission. And we are also having the world best CO2 recovery plant. We are having a 7 ton plant per hour, and we are all recording 4 to 5 tons. This is almost the second plant in India. This is second largest plant in India, the carbon reduction. These two we are already implementing. And future we are also planning to go for the trucks and other vehicles also, electric vehicles, to have the less carbon emissions. And furthermore, we are planning additional solar plants in other units also, even Ramdas Minerals, even in Bhilai, even at Vizag. So that is one major step. And regarding environment, we are in the direction of going for the zero waste process. We are already working. Lab trials is completed. We have to implement zero waste philosophy. And safety, we are all following the industrial safety as per the government from time to time and following all the guidelines. And there is always plan A and B in the production and in other marketing. We are having 52 countries. There is so that whenever any country, any problem, we go to other country. So already plan B, plan A and plan B is there in the marketing side. And then the raw material side also, we always have 2-3 sources. If one source is failed, other source we go. So that because of our sustainability operations, we are not facing any problem. And the last 4 months, our production is almost 85% when compared to the last year. Where this quarter we have production is increased by 5 to 6%. Almost 85% we have achieved. Anything else? Thank you, Santosh. Any other doubts? Please write to my company secretary. Next is Kamal Kishore Jawahar. No question. Next is Abhishek. He is asked a split. You are asking split on the 2 rupee share to 1 rupee. We are not planning anything on splitting as on date because this company is mid-sized company. We wanted to continue at 2 rupees only, Mr. Abhishek. And dividend, we are continuously giving dividend. This year also we have announced a 15% dividend. And plant visit, see, in view of the recent various government accidents, government is not encouraging for any visitors. There are strict guidelines regarding plant visits. You know, there is one major incident in Hyderabad and there is one major incident in Vizag. So both the governments are very strict. So that is why we please wait for another couple of years to visit the plant. Once these things are settled, then we can invite you for the plant visit. Then the PE ratios and all already I have answered in this read up question that you please note down, and if any doubt, no, please ask our company secretary. Thank you, Abhishek. Next, Bharat also asked for plant visit. This is the same answer. Please wait for a couple of years. Let this government give some lenience on visiting any other visitor. Then we can definitely allow to the plant visit. Then Himanshu Trivedi, same thing as asked application of products, no? Usage of products. Now I request Siddhartha to tell only what is the application of the product.
Thank you, Chairman. So application of our products, so we are producing close to 8 different products across both verticals. In terms of end use, the product is going into pharmaceuticals, leather tanning, electroplating, wood preservative chemicals, pigments and dyes manufacturing for anti-corrosive pigments, as well as going into refractories industry, mainly for glass line reactors and as well as glass production. It's also used in making chromium metal and so on. So our barium chemistry is going into water purification for removing salts from removing sulfates from the brine. Also, it's used in bricks manufacturing, as well as bricks and glaze, which are majorly used for ceramics. It's also used in paints. Our recent launch precipitated barium sulfate is going into paints, batteries, as well as as a filler into certain pigment industry. So very wide and diverse applications across the industry. If we put things into a perspective, what are the drivers for this market, and how do we see the growth? The growth is more related to how the infrastructure is growing, how the automobile industry is growing, and how how quickly the urbanization is happening across India. So this will be more relevant to see how our industry and how the growth is happening. It's more to do with the infrastructure as well as automobile and so on. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhartha. Now I would like to answer a question by Mr. Srikanth Johar. He has asked any new chemicals planning by the company. Yes, Johar, we are already constructed a facility to manufacture strontium carbonate, which we are going to inaugurate in this month itself. So in the second half of this year, we will see the results. We will have a substantial sales of this product. This product is manufactured only in 2 countries. One is in Mexico, next in Germany, and some part of China also. 3 countries are manufacturing. Then 4th country is in India. India, nobody is manufacturing this product. We are the sole producer, so it is also an import substitute. As I said, whatever products we manufacture, they're all import substitute, clear-cutly import substitute. Either the customers has to source from Vishnu Chemicals, or it has to come from any import, from any other country. And also, furthermore, we are also planning an organic chemistry, which we have done at the pilot scale, and we are also planning next year an additional new product in the organic sector. So always the company is intent to develop year on year 1 or 2 new products introduced and maintain the momentum of the growth story. Thank you, Mr. C. Then anybody? That's questions are open. In case any of the shareholders who could not join the question and answer session due to the technical reasons, and those shareholders whose queries have not been answered are requested to send their query through email to the company. On receipt of any such email request, the company will send suitable response to them in writing. Now almost the question answer section is over. Now I would like to authorize Mrs. Vibha to conduct the voting procedure and conclude the meeting. The e-voting facility will remain open for the next 15 minutes to enable the members to cast their votes. Mr. L. Dhananjay Reddy, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as scrutinizer for this meeting. The results of this meeting will be announced within stipulated time frame, and the same would be forwarded to stock exchanges uploaded on the website of the company. I authorize Mrs. Vibha Sinde, Company Secretary, Compliance Officer, to accept and acknowledge and countersign the scrutinizer's report and declare the consolidated voting results on receipt of the scrutinizer's report. I once again thank all the shareholders for their valuable comments and also for making it possible to attend today's meeting. I am also grateful to all the directors of Vishnu Chemicals Limited for making it convenient to attend the meeting and their support to the management. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your guidance. I would request the meeting to be concluded. The meeting will be it will be on hold as a vote and for the period of 15 minutes for the e-voting. Thank you everyone for joining the meeting.
Thank you.